So today I am going up to Chesley, Ontario for a garden tractor swap meet. It's about 2 hours away, so I'm starting early in the morning.
You ain't got the valve.
Lower deck with it, or just length, you see?
No.
There wasn't anything there that we wanted, so we're leaving. So 102 miles to get here. I don't know. And $17 admission. Well, I didn't score anything. It wasn't a very big turnout. Besides the things that were there, like that simplicity, or those simplicities, the guy wanted a bit too much for them. This I only paid $75 for. But anyways, I guess it was fun. But yeah, maybe next year we'll go. We might go again. See what else is there. I was looking for like a snowplow, you know, because I have that, but I want to make that be more correct than what it is. Like remake the original, because I don't have the original ones. I kind of just make my own stuff, like that grater blade and the plow. Anyways, but no scores this time. I guess my hoard is big enough already, but whatever. So, thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it.